Hey, this is Calvin with Improver, and today we're going to review the countermeasure feature. This is a very exciting feature and great development for the continuous improvement community because one of the biggest challenges we have as CI leaders is once you've trained everyone and potentially even certified everyone, how do you keep them engaged and how do you keep them driving for a better and better continuous improvement culture with time? So this is a great solution for that. There's several of those solutions built into the Improver platform, but this countermeasure feature is one I'm particularly excited about. So let's go over to the countermeasure feature. I'll show you what's there and then I'll show you how to use it. So here we go. To access countermeasure, just scroll over to your header, click the little drop down arrow. You'll see manage account. There's a right arrow to the side of it and go to my company. There are several features and tools listed here, but if you have a CI leader or continuous improvement leader type of account, then you'll have access to this tool, which is called Countermeasure. What you see here is a list of alerts that you have set, right? And these are database triggers for the application of lean and continuous improvement and Six Sigma tools in response to a failure in business performance of some type. So let's walk through what all this means. If you look at this first item, this is a new alert that's come in that has not had a countermeasure set for it yet. The first thing you see here is alert. This comes directly in from your BI system, business intelligence. It works great with any type of BI tool, but today I'm going to show you how it works with Power BI. You've got tool, and this is a list of tools that you have access to that you could assign to people. You've got to, and this is where you assign to a specific person in the company. You've got the assigned date and you got the due date. This gives them a certain deadline to complete the application of the tool, and then you hit save here. Just below that, you've got the alerts that you've already set. The way this works is every time this alert gets triggered coming in from your BI, it would automatically apply the assignment of a specific tool to a specific person. Let's walk through the process from the beginning. I'll take you into the BI. We'll set the alert, and then I'll show you how it works on this side. So here we are in Power BI. We've got a data set in here already set up, and we're going to set an alert for it. The way to do that is look in the header options here for the chart. You'll find an ellipse where you can access more options and then click Add Alert. From there, simply click the Add Alert button, click the data set, and rename your alert. So for this to work with Improver, you got to give it a specific naming structure. So first, let's name the alert so you know what it's for. We got material yield fell below 92%. From here, just add this additional code so the system knows how to process your request. The special code is star, company ID, and star. Your company ID will be unique to your company. This is something we at Improver will provide you. Then hit save. Notice that it took the new name of the alert. Now I'm going to set the conditions for my alert. In this case, I'm going to go when the data becomes less than or equal to 92%, I'm going to send an email to alerts at improver.com. You'll use this exact same email account. You can ignore this error message here. This is because my Power BI is set up in a certain way. But for you, you'll just use that alerts at improver.com and you should be good to go. From that point forward, when your material yield drops below 92%, and you can set this for downtime, you can set this for attrition, turnover, whatever metric is important to you, you can set up an alert for and a countermeasure for. In this case, we use material yield. So anytime it drops below 92%, it'll automatically push an alert into Improver, in which case you will, for the first time it comes through, you set the countermeasure, and then automatically, every time it comes through after that, it automatically triggers that follow-up. So in this case, we're going to assign a A3 to Mr. Sam Jenkins, and we want this done in 12 days. and click save. From that point forward, every time this alert comes through, an A3 will be assigned to Sam and he'll have 10 days to get it done. And it'll be in to do status until he completes it. As a continuous improvement leader, this positions you as more of a coach or a support resource to help the organization to apply the wonderful array of lean and continuous improvement tools to data driven problems, right? So the data triggered the issue, made Sam aware. Now he knows he has to go out and perform an A3, and then he has 12 days to do that. Now let's take a look at what that looks like on Mike's dashboard. Here I am in Mike's dashboard. I'll scroll down to find the A3 section. I'll click show more. And I can see here that an A3 has been assigned to Dana. And when I click on that, it takes me into Dana's A3. Let's jump into Dana's account so you can see what this looks like from her view. So here I'm just going to paste the title of the object into her search bar, click search. And here it is. Now we're going to open this up, take a quick look at it. And here we go. We've got the A3, material yield fell below 92%. You've got problem statement. You can add a business impact. You can build a team. You can complete the A3 process and then add a few action items and you are off and running. So there you have it, folks. That's the countermeasure feature. Again, this is a tool to address the problem of how do you build and continue to build and sustain momentum for continuous improvement beyond the training, beyond the certification, and into perpetuity for that matter. So just imagine that for every single trigger that you set, every alert that you set, you have contributed to the culture of continuous improvement in a new way, right? So just imagine having hundreds and potentially thousands of these countermeasures in place. You'll see a lot more activity and action around CI. And then you can position yourself as a coach, a support resource, as the one really driving the Kaizen culture. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic week. Let's get better every day. Thank you.